So the thing I like about SDR radio is it's so versatile. There seems to be a never-ending number of plugins and technologies that we can tap into. One of my limitations, as I've said many times, is my location. I can only erect a certain size of antenna because I rent property. And we've talked before about using WebSDR. And here, for instance, I've just tried a couple of WebSDRs. Okay, so the sound's a bit on that one. When I tried it on Hat Green, I wasn't getting any sound. So yeah, no sound on Hat Green. I had a memory of doing it other ways, and you can use the Kiwi SDR network, which is fantastic. And again, it's web-based. Lovely, so that's working. But there's also another way that we can do it. If you have SDR Sharp installed, and this is indeed my SDR Sharp installation. So the normal way we would do it is to select our receiver, and that's a local radio station. Okay, but there's another way of doing it. If we go to AirSpy.com, we can see a map of all the available receivers in the world. All we need to do is to select one, have a look. It doesn't matter what operating system it's running on because we're doing it over TCP. Now, they don't all cover all bands and they don't all have suitable aerials. All we have to do is copy that to the clipboard, go to SDR Sharp, go to AirSpy Server Network and insert our URL into there. Press connect. And that one isn't working. Doesn't matter, we'll soon find another one. But the beauty is that once you've got to this point, you can either click set up here and select a different one, and that one is working, or you can click on here and select another one. Now I have found that a lot of the frequencies are not
CHU Canada, Coordinated Universal Time, 10 hours, 16 minutes. 16 minutes.
fantastic. So we can have a tune around, and the only thing that we have to put up with slightly is a delay. We can move down to another signal. It's a bit off frequency. Let's have a look at this one.
Blob up on top, and you got to file that thing to get it to work. Yeah, the iron tends to pull the solder with it when you pull.
Now I could never have an antenna long enough for 80 metres. And the other joy is that these guys have got absolute top of the range antenna in many cases, and additionally they've probably got a better SDR than my little RTL SDR. If we go to this guy,
Contrary to what you may have heard, it doesn't take 7 years to digest a piece of swallowed gum.
So yeah, that's local FM radio. I did try this one earlier and I didn't pick up anything else on the other bands. So it plays to have a good play around at different times of day too, because like currently the USA is still fast in bed. But let's see what we can get on this one.
A few moments later.
Hello, thank you.
This I think is in East Germany. And the whole 40-metre band is buzzing.
Bravo, Echo, stroke portable. Hotel, Bravo 9, Bravo, Echo, stroke portable.
Nice to hear these guys working contest on a mobile rig. That's pretty impressive stuff.
Echo, stroke portable.
I think I've just picked up the Coast Guard in Dunkirk.
Too much north, should be more southbound, over. Yeah, after they get top line ready to sell. Mr. Transporter, you are compliant, so the arrow finish mode just leaving the bus number 8, you may follow. Yeah, follow additional, we'll go west round Kingery.
A few moments later.
So I just picked up some great activity on the
This is true, that's very true.
80-metre handband. This is the receiver I'm currently using. The educated among you will be able to tell me what state that is, because I've no idea.
Like donuts and check the signal strength? Yeah. See if it was a directional vertical.
There's a lot of activity on 80 metres. Now I noticed this guy's got an 85-foot vertical antenna, something that I would not be able to achieve, but look at the activity on this band.
I got wing stuff to do, so you need to fix that. Yep. Tomorrow is Labor Day. Oh, it's Monday? Yeah, it's always on the first Monday in September. Oh, you're right, yeah. I think I am anyway.
I love it when amateurs use whole frequencies, it's much easier to manage.
There's places on the internet, like for the K3 here, there's somebody up there that makes a rack mount, but that's much road. That's the one that's cool. Shows you some pictures of the technique studying. Hey, Grandpa, this is something totally different. I got you.
The delights of FT8.
Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and it would have done that. It was much more expensive. This is an HMO plan.
Incidental hotel, right by the river there, looking out across the patch.
This is in Central Europe.
platforms in amongst your selection.
Good luck on Silk QSN, Oscar Zulu 9, Echo Delta Radio stroke portable. Take a field day, Oscar Zulu 9, Echo Delta Romeo stroke portable. Oscar Zulu 9, Echo Delta Romeo stroke portable.
Yankee India 1 Whiskey Alpha Asia contest. Yankee India 1 Whiskey Alpha Asia contest. Yankee India 1 Whiskey
Thank you. 5968 or 004. 73, good luck. Papa Alpha 4 Whiskey Mike, 5968, man. Bravo 78, Papa Mike, okay? 5956. 45, thank you. QRZ, Uniform November 9 Lima. Ticket contest, Uniform November 9 Lima. United November 9 Lima. Contest. Echo, Oyster, Roger. Yeah, Roger, QSL 59. Okay, negative QRZ, Alpha 44 Alpha, contact. Alpha 44 Alpha, contact.
So if you have any ideas on this, I'll be totally interested. I like listening to radio from all over the world, and it's a very good way of doing it by plugging into another country's resources and seeing what's available across a whole spectrum of frequencies. So it's exciting stuff. And then obviously we can get into the other transmission modes later on. So fantastic stuff. Have a try with it. Let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching.